Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. International ratings agency Fitch says the Jamaica Labour Party's victory in Thursday's general election signals economic and fiscal policy continuity for Jamaica. The ratings agency gave its assessment of the election outcome in a release today. In April, Fitch Ratings revised its outlook on Jamaica's B+ rating to stable from positive, suggesting it could give a rating upgrade in its next assessment. That's because they expect the Jamaica Labour Party government to continue its ongoing policies. Fitch says the scale and success of Jamaica's coronavirus policy response so far has played an important part in how it views the island's creditworthiness. The agency knows that a new policy direction would have created uncertainties. At the same time, Fitch noted that while some income support has tempered the pandemic's economic impact, things could get worse as budgeted funds are used up and pressure to extend parts of the CARE program grows. The ratings agency highlighted the second largest component of the compassionate grant, Set Cash, which provides income support for those who lose their jobs during the pandemic. The government has pledged to extend that financial support from 3 to 5 months. Jamaica Public Service Company JPS has closed its customer service offices at East Parade and Ruthven Road in the corporate area until further notice. The JPS says this is due to a positive COVID-19 test result for an employee. The offices have been closed for deep cleaning and sanitization. Contact tracing is underway and all team members who have been in close contact with the affected employee are being quarantined and tested. The Trade Board Limited says it has so far cleared 30% of the backlog of permit applications. 1,000 applications have been identified and as outstanding. The Trade Board says it is first clearing older applications. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $147.42. The Canadian dollar sold for $111.18. The pound is going for $197.27, while the euro closed at $176.81. The JSE index gained 858 points today and the junior market index advanced 12 points. Among the winners were Access Financial Services, First Rock Capital Holdings, Epley, Key Insurance, and Berger Paints. Now on the losing side were Kingston Properties, Portland JSX, Productive Business Solutions 9.75%, QWI Investments, and 1834 Investments. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.